for me and you. Red is the color of a shiny apple, juicy and sweet, it's fun to grapple. Strawberries dance with a little cheer. Red is yummy, let's all hear. Yellow like a banana so tall, peel it down, one bite, that's all. Pineapples giggle in the sun, yellow fruits are full of fun. Fruity colors everywhere, in the trees and in the air. Pick a color, have a bite, fruits are fun from day to night. Purple grapes in a happy bunch, pop them in for a crunchy munch. Plums and figs join the parade, purple's the color that never fades. Oranges, round and bright, they bounce and roll from left to right. Mango sing and tangerines spin, with orange fruits we always grin. Fruity colors everywhere, in the trees and in the air. Pick a color, have a bite, fruits are fun from day to night. Green is cool like kiwis and peas, they wave their leaves in the gentle breeze. Apples, grapes, and limes say hi, green fruits jump up to the sky. Pink is sweet like a dragon fruit smile, it dances around in the latest style. Watermelons blush in the summer heat, pink is juicy, fresh and sweet. Colors help us learn and play, fruits keep us happy every day. From red to green and yellow too, let's sing again, just me